Now, in the exam for this review, the orientation is actually aligned to this property line right here. So you really didn't have to do anything by way of rotation. I just showed this to you just in case the property line is oriented this way. Then you also need to create a project north through north. So I need to place this here, uh, copy, move this to that point as well, and say rotate this from here to there. Okay, so that will be your project north. And make sure you also place their project north. Don't just place the north symbol. Okay, so I can move this from here to somewhere here. So that's our project north. And then later on, we can type our text and place there project north. But of course, it turns out that our property or project is aligned to this line right here. So again, let's just move this from that corner to this corner and then rotate ROP for previews. So it selects the previous selection set. And then I can rotate from here. Okay. Now, this time, it's not easy to rotate it. Uh, it will not snap to that 90-degree angle anymore. So I'm going to use reference this time. And my reference angle is this angle right here. So I click from the endpoint corner to this corner right here. And now I can, similar to what I did earlier, align it to this property line. And then I can move P, again, previews. So P is a lot faster, okay? And I can just move it somewhere here. If I need it to be exactly somewhere else, then I need to create that point by way of creating offset and then intersection, and then from endpoint to that intersection. Now, this project north now is wrong, but it turns out the project north and true north are the same. So you can just say true north, project north, and you won't need this. But if you do need this, then you can move this from endpoint to endpoint, okay, like what we did earlier, and then rotate it, okay, rotate it from now here, this is the angle that I want to align to this project. So actually, I might need to move this from here to there, and then rotate P, okay, from here, and then say reference. Okay, my reference angle is this angle right here, and then align it to that property line. Then I can move P from here to there, but they're one and the same. I'm just showing you that that's how you do the project north and the true north. Okay. Now from here, you can now do other things. If you have the site to develop the site, then you can develop this site. But let's put in the project north through north. So to do that, I need to create first my floor plan. So my floor plan got moved. So I need to, oops, uncheck this and place this here at scale 1 to 50. There you go. Now I can lock this and make a copy of this. I did make a copy of it earlier, but I deleted those because I already updated my, well, I need to change this. I updated my, what do you call this? title block, and it needs a little more updating. So midterm exam. I've updated this, so I don't want to do it again and again. So I deleted the ones that I made earlier, and now that these are all updated, then I can copy it. So right click on the tab, layout tab, move, create a copy, move to the end, click OK, and then change that to site plan, SP. Now for this one, I want to unlock it again and zoom out. I cannot see my property line because this is uh, viewport frozen. So I need to unfreeze that. And let's see if 1 to 50 will still work. Nope. So for site plans, normally you would want to go lower, maybe 1 to 100. And that's okay. We don't see the uh, dimensions. We don't need that. In fact, we're going to create the roof here, and we're going to not show the dimension. We are indeed showing this. So I can freeze that and then zoom in. And then from here, I need to place this in the dimension layer. So it will also be frozen, or this one is A0 tag. So A0 tag, I think, should be BP frozen as well. So let's BP freeze that. So it still belongs to the BP or tag layer. Okay. And then now that we have our scale set, we know our scale and it's set, then we can add the project north through north text. Okay, so this one will be we'll change the style to medium. So that's 3. Set that to current and close. Okay, and then we can add here a text. So T, and place here we're in the right layer, right? Let's double check. Yeah, contour layer. Okay, T, or it will say all caps project north. Of course, I don't really need to do this because the project north and the true north are one and the same. Okay, so that's 3 millimeters. It appears that my symbol is a little small compared to that. So I'd like to double that size. So maybe scale it SC, scale this twice the size. So I just say 2. Okay, that looks a lot better. And move it. Okay, so I'm just going to move it somewhere here. That's my project north. And then I can now delete this and copy that project north right here and say this will be my true north. So for this one, I just need to only copy this here and double click on it and say true north. Now, and then I can move that, center it a bit. Okay. And then if I go back to my view for the layout, I might need to put that a little more here to the side. And then next thing I'll do is start drawing the roof plan. And that's what I want to show. Roof plan, and then we'll do the elevation.